Hello everybody, this is Spandan Barve and this is going to be my progress update for the project that I've been working on with Sugar Labs under the GSOC 2024 program. So we have all seen this activity, right? But there's something different. We have themes now. So this was the classic theme for the river crossing activity. We all have seen this, but now there's also so yeah, as I was saying, now there's also a 3D theme for the same river crossing activity. So again, I have so the code for this particular activity is structured in a way so that adding these themes to the activity is very easy, and if any future developer wants to do so, they simply need to just somehow create these assets, the particular images that will be shown in game for each and every asset that is used, and they can simply plug it into the images folder, and it's really easy to add new game modes as well. Like right now I only made the simple wolf, cabbage and sheep mode, but there are multiple other ways the river crossing puzzle has been implemented by other people, so that's also something future developers can do, or even I might look into in the near future. Then I had also presented the name game activity. I have added the theory part, which was necessary to the game. Like it's supposed to be a mathematical puzzle, so this is about how you're supposed to solve this particular mathematical puzzle. I've also added settings so where you can change the robot and the counter images. And besides this, I'm also working on finishing up and polishing the illusion box activity, which might be completed really soon. And besides that, this very well might be the last presentation for this summer under GSOC 2024. So I think I would like to share some of my progress, my personal progress as a developer, which I had made during this project during this summer. So I have always been interested in game development, as that's how I actually started my development journey. When I was a child, I when I was a child, I had this really old desktop with me, and it wasn't really able to run any games, and I wanted to play because everyone else around me was playing games. So I thought it would be cool if I just developed my own games, and I thought they would run on the desktop, and I was correct. So that's how I started my development journey. So again, getting to work professionally, sort of, on making games again, developing games again, has been really interesting, really exciting, and it was a great experience, this GSOC 2024 period. Now, my work is definitely not over. There are 4 more activities that are yet to be developed. I will be working on them, and they will be coming out really soon, but they are definitely not ready for presentation yet. So, working on these 4 activities, these 4 games, you could say, was a great learning experience. I implemented an ECS system for the sugar environment, and that's what I've been using as a template for every single activity that I have developed. And I feel like this particular template can also be helpful for future developers, as this really segregates everything into their own modules, their own patterns. It implements things as entities that have their own update functions, draw functions, and there are also screens for each and every screen which you are able to see in the game. So I feel like it's modular, and it could be helpful for other developers as well. I was also planning to turn it into a formal GitHub repo where it's just a bare bones skeleton template which people can use. I think that's also something I can work on after I have done after I have developed the remaining 4 activities. That is. Besides that, there's not really much I have to show you guys, but yeah, it has definitely been a great experience, and I hope you guys stick around and look forward to the remaining 4 activities, and they'll be added to the Sugar Labs GitHub organization as soon as they are developed and ready for production. Thank you, everyone.